Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word gato. The correct pronunciation is gato. Once again, gato. But for female cats, it would be gata. Again, gata. If you check the title of this video, you see that gato means cat in Portuguese, but it can also mean handsome or gorgeous. So here's an example. He's handsome. Ele é gato. Or she's gorgeous. Ela é uma gata. That's it. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand. So don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Male version and female version. Okay? So male version first. Gato. Female version. Gata. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.